Good afternoon and welcome to Middle School Music. Today will be our first lesson teaching you how to read music. Now the first step is I'm going to teach you guys how to find letter names of notes on the staff. The first thing I have to do is explain to you what a staff is. Staff is our way of notating music, and it consists of 5 lines. Of those 5 lines, they make 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each staff is marked with the type of clef. Either there's a treble clef or a bass clef in piano music. Treble clef simply means this is what you'll be playing with your right hand, and it looks like this. Now, in music, we use letters to notate which note you should be playing on the piano. And those letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Once we go higher than G, we go back to A. So it's very similar to base 7 mathematics, but there are 7 alphabetical letters that we use in music. So, the way that we're able to notate these on the treble clef, I will give you acronyms to remember. The easiest one is for the spaces. There are 4 spaces, like I said. Now, when we start from the bottom space is F, the next space is A, the next space is C, and then the top space is E. And that spells the word face. Pretty easy stuff. Now, the lines, they have their own acronym as well. Like I said, there's 5 lines. So the bottom line is E, and then we have G, then we have B, then we have D, then we have F. And the way that we remember that is, every good boy deserves fudge. Or we can say, every good boy does fine. Basically, F, 1 note lower is E, 1 note higher is G. So this is just every other letter in our base 7 alphabet that we're using. So we have face and E, G, B, D, F. Now it's very important to remember that both of these acronyms start from the bottom and they ascend and they go up from the bottom. Any questions? The next thing that we're going to learn going forward is how to apply this to the piano. Now the piano, we have another similarity to math here. As you're on your piano, as you're going to the right, you are ascending, just like on a number line in math. You have a number line. If 0 is right here on your number line, then this would be 1, this would be 2, etc. And this would be -1, -2. So, just like on the number line in math, on the piano, as you're going to the right, you're ascending. On the staff, as you're going up, you're ascending. So going up on the staff is equivalent to going to the right on the piano. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get into groups. And I have a group assignment for you all to do. I want you all to get into groups of 4, and then this is what your assignment looks like. Now, this is what your group assignment looks like. If you look at number 1, that note is on the top space. So as we remember from the board, the top space, we use the FACE acronym, F-A-C-E. So that top space is E. Let's look at number 2. It's on the bottom line. So we know that the bottom line, we remember the lines with every good boy does fine. So the bottom line is E. Don't worry about the keyboards here. That's going to be the next part of what we learn on how to read where the notes are on these keyboards. So what I'd like for you guys to do is go ahead and get into groups of 4 and then help each other just simply write the letter names of the notes on the top of the staff. And once I'm going to go around and make sure that everybody understands and is doing it. Now I don't want just one kid to be working on this alone. This is a group assignment. So I want all of you guys to take turns writing the letter names down, because it doesn't do us any good if only one of you 4 knows this and writes all the answers down. I want everybody to get a shot at this, whether you understand or not. And I'm going to walk around and try to help you guys out.